Hey y'all. All right, today we are doing another unboxing, and it's not a small, but it's not a medium. It is more kind of in between the small and medium. It is by Diamond Art Club. I don't remember the artist's name. Oh no. But it will be in the credits. I promise it'll be in the credits. This is Guinea Pig. Isn't he cute? Let me focus. Let me change the focus so that I can pull him up and you can see. Oh, and he's so sweet. Look at that tuft of hair. I cannot wait to open this one up. Okay, so he is square. He is a 32 by 42 centimeter. All right. Now, the SKU numbers does not say AB, so I do not expect to see any ABs, and that's okay. Not every kit needs to have ABs in it, I promise. I am not that person who looks for ABs to be in every kit. Sometimes I just don't need them. Now, let's shake loose that toolkit. There we go. All right, I'm going to move the box. Toolkit, in case you are new to diamond painting or new to Diamond Art Club. They have a clear tray. They have baggies. They have a drill pen with a squishy and 2 pieces of heart-shaped wax. Now, here's what's interesting. Okay, it says right here, it says wax pad ×1. But there's always 2 in there. I think they need to work on this. All right, so the born on date for Guinea Pig is March 11th of 2019. Don't know when I ordered this. Don't remember. I got it 4 days after I ordered it. I always get them 4 days after. Sometimes packing will tell me it's supposed to be 2. But, I mean, not 2, 3. But then I'm like, no, I'll get it in 4. Okay, so I'm just kind of trying to see where, there we go. All right, so I'm going to roll this back up without looking at it because I want to see it with you. So we're going to put that over there. We're going to throw this away. And we are going to kind of straighten it out a little bit. Here you go. All right. So there are 35 colors. Yep. 35 colors. So let's look at the colors. I always like to look at the colors before I see the canvas. I'm going to fold this back so it will fit into the baggie after we are finished looking at the drills. That is a pretty color. Now I have the hiccups. It's not giving me DAC asthma. It is giving me DAC hiccups. Oh my goodness. I guess I have swallowed too much air going, because I love his little face. I love his face. Let's do the bigger bag first. The heavier ones. The more color. That's not yet. Here we go. Okay, so we have orange. And we have dark blue. Even though it looks black, it's blue. We have an interesting chartreuse. I like that word. White. Very white. That's kind of a really soft seafoam. And we got more versions. I mean, we got dark, medium, and light, I guess. Close to it. That is pretty. There are some very beautiful colors. Oh my, let me look. These are gorgeous. We have green, and that's kind of, is that purple or blue? It's purple. It's pretty purple. Another type of white-ish color. orange magenta, orange hot pink, and lime neon yellow. That is lemon yellow, folks. That is neon ultraviolet lemon yellow. That is a lemon on radiation. All right. Here we go. There's a bright red and a blue and a blue and a crimson red, bright 666 red, blue and red, and that's all of the black? Really? Wow. Blue and purple and pink and more pink and kind of a magenta wine-ish pretty color and light purple and blue and wine color and my purple. These two are my favorites. And then blue and dark blue. There are some amazing colors in here, folks. Amazing. They are beautiful colors. I can't wait to see the canvas. All right, so yes, I'm fighting. I'm fighting. We're gonna fight this situation. Okay. Put this in here. I'll come back later and double check the beads, but I don't know. It's DAC. I trust them implicitly. I know they have not broken my trust yet. So until they do, I'll just come back later and double check those. Okay. Those to the side. Are we ready? Are we ready? I'm not ready. I'm not ready for all these beautiful colors because the canvas is soft and fuzzy. And I'm not looking. I'm looking away. Okay, so here's the top. Here's the top. Do what makes you sparkle because my canvas is so shimmery. Look at that. Oh, look at the hair. Look at the hair. We're just going to unfold him slowly. We're going to take him in. We're going to take him all in slowly. I love this hair. Oh, my gosh. Oh. And I like the circles. Like we're blowing bubbles around the guinea pig's face. And look, I mean, we got little circles going on. Oh, look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. I never owned a guinea pig, but the person who used to be my best friend, she had guinea pigs. And I loved playing with her guinea pigs. Oh, look at the face. Oh, look at the smile. Oh, to me, that's a smile. I hope that's a smile. Isn't he cute? Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, man. Oh, he's precious. He is absolutely precious. I mean, you've got these little dots going on. You've got all the circles. This little paisley looking swirly situation. He's so colorful. He is so colorful. And I'm looking. I think there are only 2 of these symbols that will give me any type of trouble. They are clear. And right now, with as many lights as I have on, it's okay. But I think I'm going to have to throw the light pad on for the Y and the P. And I will show you that in just a second. You will be unfocused, but it's because I'm getting ready to pull you on down and it will focus then. There we go. So, yes, let's get this out the way. Thank you so much. Alright, so, yeah, I mean, he is so cute. And this schematic doesn't even show you all the little bubbles. But he's adorable. God, I love that face. I love that face. And as you can see, I mean, these are very clear. But what I was talking about is over here in the eye. Come on. Am I going to have to go down? Nope. Go up. Yes. There we go. See the Y and the P? The Y and the P are going to mess with me. Oh, that rhymed. Those are going to mess with me because they're black symbols and they're pretty much on the same kind of reddish color. I wish they were like the L. If they were like the L, then, you know, I don't have any trouble seeing the L. The L is white. It's the Y and the P that are going to get me. But I know that I can put my light pad underneath this and everything will be fine. So I'm not complaining. I'm just bringing it to your attention because if you don't have a light pad and you have trouble with the red colors with the black symbols on them, I just want you to know, be prepared, be ready. Just be ready. So, there you go. Isn't he precious? Oh my goodness. I love his hairdo. Let me focus you again. There we go. All the other symbols are crystal clear and I can see them. I can see them. I don't know. I think maybe next time I see like Diamond Art Club on Instagram or something, maybe I'll send them a message and go, hey, please stop putting black symbols on red and pink because I'm having trouble. I'm having issues. If you use white, I'm good. I'm good. Not that I would expect that they would change anything for me, but you know what? If enough people tell them, they will listen. Did you know that? And if enough people tell them something, they will listen. They really will. They're very good at listening to their customers. But I know just little old me, they're not going to worry about me. But if you have the same troubles, I would be messaging them. I know I'm going to. It's just a matter of, do I have time? Okay. So there is that one. And we're going to put this back in the box without the toolkit. Because that just takes up space. And I have 50 million toolkits, it feels like. I'm really struggling with this right now. So, all right, there we go. There we go. So, there is Guinea Pig. And if you love him, go grab one. Go grab one. This is a good size. It is not overwhelming as far as size. It's wonderful. Sorry guys, it's pretty early and I haven't had coffee yet. It is a good size for a beginner who wants to try some squares out and doesn't want something that's 3-4 feet tall or 3-4 feet long. This one is pretty. All right, so y'all, thank you for coming by and checking this out. I hope I have interested you in Guinea Pig, and I hope you go and grab him up. And hey, you know, if you like this video, hit that like button and maybe consider subscribing. Go check out some of my other videos. I have some others that are kind of interesting. So, until next time, guys. Bye, y'all.